Hello. Um, I'm just recording this video to show that the sound on this device is not working at all. I just bought it from eBay last week. It got delivered to me, and when I tested it, everything's working fine. It's a great device. I love the display quality of this device as well. However, the only thing which is not working is the sound. There's no output from the sound system. The sound is completely full if you see here. And if I connect on Bluetooth or Android Auto, absolutely there is no output. I tried multiple ways, and if you see, there is nothing on it. Currently the phone is connected with Bluetooth. If you see here, you can see the track running in Zen meditation music, and on my phone here I got the same track running in. If you see here, the Zen meditation music, it says the track is running. However, there's absolutely no connectivity here. Alright, I'll do one thing. I'll again try to connect with Android Auto now to see if this works. Alright, let's go to the home screen and connect the Android Auto. So it says connecting. Okay, and if you see here, okay, it's connected now. After connecting, you can again see the Zen meditation music come on inside. I'll make the display full to just look like same thing. If you see both the displays here, both are displaying exactly same thing. The minutes 9:56. If you see the track 10:02, 10:03, so they are in sync. And sorry, my screen went off. They are in sync if you see, and both are running fine together, but absolutely there is no volume. The volume on my phone is absolutely full. If you can see, there's absolutely full volume. I've been using this on various Bluetooth devices and other things. I never faced this problem, but this is a big problem here. Thank you.